Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset OPPO F29. Alright, so we have two methods how we can reset this device, and I'm gonna show you both of them. So the first method is a simple reset from the settings. This method is of course recommended when we have access to the phone, when the phone works normally, it's responsive and it's not lagged or frozen. And the second method is the factory reset from the recovery mode, and I'll show you that later. So let's begin with the first method. Simply open up your settings. Once you are here, scroll down into the bottom, click on System and Updates, click on Backup and Reset, and now click on Reset Phone. Alright, once we are here, we are interested of course in the last option, which is Erase All Data, but in here we can also, if you want, reset network and Bluetooth settings, reset all settings, erase SMS and MMS messages stored on this phone. But we need to click on the last option, and now we need to click on Clear All Data. If you do everything properly and follow the instruction on the screen, then your phone will be turned off, then turn on again, and the next thing you need to do is to simply set up your phone. Okay, so that's how you can perform the reset from the settings, and now I'm gonna show you how to do it from the recovery mode. So first we need to power off our device. Let's tap the power button and the volume up button at the same time, just like that. Now drag this white ball and put it into the power off. Now release your finger, just like that. Alright, and now to enter the recovery mode we need to hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until we get access to it. So let's keep on holding. Alright, when the OPPO logo appeared, we can release the finger from the power button, but just to make sure, let's keep on holding the volume down. Alright, and now we need to select our language. Simply select English. Now select Format Data. And now you need to type this code using your keyboard. Okay. And now click on Format. Okay, the process is running. And now all of the data has been formatted. Now click on OK. And now the device, just like in the previous method, will be automatically turned on back again. And next thing you need to do is to simply set up your device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.